Hello, 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 hello. Today I got some good stuff for you. We're going to be kind of taking it a little more easy, a little more casual. Getting into some code, but also going to listen to some Bandcamp tunes. I've been trying to think of a way to kind of intermingle music into the Twitch stream. You know, just have a little bit of intro music besides all the random stuff that I have here and there. Also been trying to figure out the pretzel rocks. Haven't been getting too far with that. It seems like there's one metal station and then some kind of regular EDM stuff, which is nice and pleasant if, I don't know, if I were stoned or something. But, yeah, nah. I want some metal. I want some metal to listen to when I'm coding, because that's what I do. And that's one of the kind of the key imperatives of this Twitch channel that I have. So with that, here's a little short intro for the new segment that I'm going to have on the stream, which is just like, it's a metal segment. So check out the little intro. All right, yeah, so that was like a quickie I built earlier today. And what we're going to do here is start from a Trello board. Because, yeah, the channel is all about metal, but it's really all about tech, too. And in that sense, I've created a few specific items here and a new whip on Twitch, so work in progress on Twitch. And I'm going to basically put whatever we're going to work on for the Twitch stream of that particular day here in this category, especially for these where I've just labeled it general thrashing code, Calamity, and whatnot. It'll just be a little way where we can work through what we're trying to do, what we're trying to get done, and, you know, all that kind of stuff. And then we can just move it over to completed as we've done that. And since this first segment is actually going to be straight up about music, this first one I wanted to introduce. I'm going to go ahead and move it. Well, shouldn't move it to completed. We're not looking at it yet. So this first one is a band called, that's right, you see it, the awesome, the one, the only Master Boot Record. Yeah. So this is a thing. I don't even know how I discovered this, right? But yeah, so as you can see right here, Internet Protocol is the album by Master Boot Record. This is out here located on Bandcamp. And we're going to give a little listen to one of these songs here, this Master Boot Record song. I'm just pulling it up. And here we go. This first song is called FTP, right? 8-bit in there. So it's a pretty long song. It goes on for something like 7 minutes or so. Super badass. Check out the other songs too. FTP, IRC, Telnet, Gopher. You know, all the classic hits of the internet. All from Master Boot Record. So yeah, that is the first band that I wanted to introduce you to. But that is not all. There is also another band. So let's pull up the... Oh, come back here, VM. Where'd you go? There you are. So that's this one. Thoughts, notions, anything on that one? Kind of a crazy tune, crazy band there. I love the whole vibe though. It's freaking rad. So then the next tune, and I'm going to pick up some of this stuff and use it as some background music and whatnot. I'm still trying to figure out what the licensing is, but you know, I just wanted to share that with everybody because that's badass. So we're going to move that over to listened, i.e. completed. Boom. Oh, and I need to, actually before I do that, I'm just going to do this and then archive all cards in list. Yes, archive all, okay. So now we're going to move that over and it shows what we're doing this session. So the next band, pretty wild looking one too, also out there on Bandcamp, not Boot Camp. Master Boot Record on Bandcamp. This one's Crux. I seem to find myself saying Crux, you know, in the crux of this or the crux of that or blah, 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 pretty regularly. So I saw this and it kind of, I don't know, it stuck out to me a little bit. And I was like, oh, this looks pretty cool. Let me give it a listen. And it was when I was also trying to log in, I couldn't figure out what the hell was wrong with the sound on Bandcamp. But anyway, I got it working and it's pretty badass here too. And I am resizing my stuff because everything went haywire there for a second. And this is Crux. There it is. And this first song, or actually this first song is by, it's Moontooth. Moontooth is the band. Crux is the album. And here's a little play from that album. This is called Trust.
If you saw the ghosts I see when I sleep, you leave too. Yeah, you cry your way out. You go
They're pretty freaking rad. I like them. Definitely gonna have to get some of that too. So out here though, let's pick one more rando. We'll go ahead and mark this as complete. And out here in Bandcamp, I'm just kind of trying to like learn how to use the freaking thing, which is unto itself different. But I did figure out one thing that's super cool. You can go in, pick metal, all metal, pick that, and then there's location. So I can go in and, well, I mean, you know, anybody can go in, go down here. I was like, oh, there's Portland. Yeah, check out Portland bands. Oh, look, I know some of these bands. And then I was like, all right, what else we got? Oh, Seattle. Got to go to Seattle. Check that out. So, yep, here we go. Let's see here. Let's pick some at random. Let's do That's a heck of a band. Hey, Hoth. Is that like Star Wars Hoth? I think it is. You know, out there floating around on Hoth. Let's maybe give that a listen, huh? What do you think? Think we should give Hoth a listen? Yeah, I think that's a good idea. So let's go into Hoth. Oh, it's so much quieter than it needs to be. Oh, I got a fix for that. Sounds pretty good so far. Will it be good though? Or is it just gonna go at the end? It'll be just some mess. Will the vocals ruin it? Oh, the tension grows. We got some serious double bass. Oh man, I can hear it. I can tell it's coming. Any second. Will it be awesome or will it be catastrophically horrible? Well, if you like black metal, that works. If you like operatic, female fronted, I don't know. Hoth hails from the cold north. Icy blackness of the void, seeking to envelope this world in an unending permafrost by bringing forth musical compositions that are captivating, powerful, and haunting. I don't know. I'll give that one a follow too. I think it's worth a follow. Gonna have to listen to them and see when they pop up around Seattle. I'm sure they'll be popping up. So we covered the bases there. Let's see here. Now our next thing we're going to dive into, notch it down just a little bit here. I've been digging around with Vue.js. Some of you may know that I was taking a stab at the core Vue.js framework. Was it like 2 weeks ago or something like that? And it is almost time to dive into that. So with that, I'm going to say done with the music introductions and outro with a little end here while I fix my boot up. All right, so a view from Ironic. I got Mike Huntington. Why is that not Hardington? It didn't draw on my screen. It like left the RTI out. Anyway, so a view from Ionic. So myself and my fellow cohort Christina have been working on trying to figure out what would be the best default framework, library, etc. to go mobile first while using something web friendly for the UI, right? Something that might be like NativeScript, native Vue.js. What was the other options? The other one was, Vue native. The other one is NativeScript. Okay. So we dug into these a bit. Like I looked at NativeScript here, and I love how it always looks simple. But I believe, where's the docs? I went through some of the docs here. I worked through this one a little bit too. Christina worked through it, and we both ran into various issues. Just kind of trying to get it to run smoothly, right? So in that endeavor, let's see, Lancey. I'm going to put you on auto host. See, Lancey, you are now on auto host here. So we went digging through these things, and anyway, between having to install the frameworks, like the whole Android framework, iOS frameworks, et cetera, it's like, well, maybe you just want to actually learn the particular framework, so you're just building directly to native instead of, yes, Pac-Man, I accept cookies, instead of going through all this extra layer of stuff, right? Having to set up certain things, certain ways just to make it work from that perspective. Okay, I mean, this like right here, it looked great, but it just wasn't working out. It was a little clunky. Getting the build set up was a little fussy. So we're thinking at this point, since Ionic is actually in beta with Vue.js now, maybe take a stab at Ionic. And if you're not quite sure what that is, let's take a little look, a little stroll through their website. Let's see if I can get some. Whoops, I'm going to get some pretzel going on in here in the background. Pretzel rocks. Yeah, so there's the announcement blog, which I was just looking at that over here, right? So we got one code base, any platform. So it says it helps builders build and ship beautiful cross-platform hybrid apps. But as soon as I get signed into Pretzel here, we'll continue onward. I need some tunes in the background here. Let's play in the background. Happy Rock album? Why am I listening to the Happy Rock album? That is really not even what I want to be listening to. I'll listen to this album. If it ever starts. Half the time with Pretzel Rock starts right away. The other half the time takes 20 freaking minutes. I do not quite get what the heck is going on here. Yes, Pretzel, please continue. It's over here flaking on me. So anyway, Ionic has various products, Studio, AppFlow, Advisory. Let's take a look at the pricing too, just to get an idea of what we're getting into. So mobile DevOps to continuously build, deploy, and ship. We have the $0 item, which is obviously what we would start with. One concurrent build, Ionic deploy, Ionic dev app, community forum, Ionic AppFlow dashboard, and personal account. Okay, so that could work. And add on $29 to get live app deploys and cloud native builds. I don't even know if we need more than one concurrent build, because just pretty basic thing we're trying to build here. So your choose plan. All right, so that's account and building. Yeah, looks like we can use the basic one. And then the studio has what features here? So Ionic UI components, schedule a demo. I don't know if I want a demo. I want to be able to just use this thing. So, and then integrations, Firebase, Identity Vault, SQLite. Oh, see, this is the other question. I don't even know if we can use this one. Does it? It doesn't even have most of the databases in existence. Adobe AM. Oh, I just don't know. Do not know. App livery, Jenkins. Yeah, I guess Pretzel is just not going to start. So I'm going to go back to my collection of music because everything wants to be a pain in the ass, and we're just going to groove the old school way with my old school player here. Wow, that's really weird. So my volume keeps turning down on me. So I don't know how we would use Ionic actually. It's a little weird. So you know what? I'm going to move forward then with, let's see here. Ionic framework. New support. I'm going to look at that later maybe. I don't know. How do you get this? No. You know what we should do though? We should ping on the internet, on the Twitters. Everybody ping Mike Harrington. Okay? Go tell him that he should join forces with me on Twitch and we'll actually get a demo going. That's what we'll do. Oh, look, he retweeted me because I was talking it up. That's what we need. We need a demo of Ion Framework. That's what we'll do. So right now, though, I want to look at some other stuff here. What do we got else? We looked at this other stuff. And whoa. Window Shuffler? I don't even know what I just hit. Oh, no. Get out of there. What is this? Oh, there's an update to... Holy crap, 91 megabytes? What the hell? Let's install it midstream. Why not, right? There we go. Okay, so Vue.js native. So there's this one, and then there is this one. Let's look at these a little bit more. Getting started with NativeScript and Vue.js. So this is the one that seemed to kind of be working, but ran into problems. Anybody ever use this one? Let's do this. Let's go to docs. Let's just go through the thing. Or maybe I should use Vue Native and try it again. I'll just try it in front of everybody so we can see what's actually up. Yeah, let's actually go with this. We're gonna try Vue Native first. Let's see what breaks on me. Probably everything. All right. So getting the codes here. Sample. Oops. Let's do make dir sampler Vue Native. All right. So npm install -global Vue Native CLI. Let's roll this sucker out a little bit. New version of npm available. So what do? Let's get npm install -global in npm. Did y'all hear that thing that where NPM laid off some people with their new like horrifying leadership that just like shits on people? I don't know if anybody saw that on the Twitters. That was some pretty crazy stuff. Like right before people were about to invest, they laid off like 5 people. Kind of shady. All right, we got that installed. Then what do we need? We need to do Vue native init, and we'll do Vue native sampler as our demo. Vue native sampler. That creates a CRNA project. Oh, I don't know what that even is. So let's do CRNA and do no CRNA. Oh, what the? Bear with me, I gotta tweak some volume. There we go. I don't know how things get flipped out like this. Alright. Okay. So we got that running. Now what's next? Oh, error getting React Native package version. Please globally install React Native CLI dependency. Okay, let's try that. Let's do npm install -global React Native CLI. Okay, let's try that again then. No kerna. Using yarn. So npm is using yarn to pull the dependencies. It's kind of interesting unto itself. How we got such an inception-based inception of dependencies with Node. Just ram my knee into the table. Got 2 of them though, so whatever. What? Oh god. Something's not maintained anymore. Something. React Native requires a peer React, but none is installed. You must install peer dependencies yourself. FS events, unsupported platform SS events 127, on OS Darwin, architecture any, current OS Linux architecture 64. Yeah, no shit, come on. So let's do npm install global this. Does that work? What did it just make? Did it put it in there or did it not put it in there? Sampler. What the hell? Yeah, there's nothing in here. Why does it think there's something in here? Oh, where the hell did it put that then? Okay, so now it thinks it's building this, but where... core JS265 is no longer. Go to core something. Yeah, I don't know. This is run iOS, run Android. All right, well, let's keep our fingers crossed. Maybe this works yet, huh? Well, maybe I'll do 11 low severity vulnerabilities. This is kind of a brutal start to this. You'd think this stuff would be... Oh God, come on. There we go, okay. So what do I do? Install Vue native. And then we do what? npm start. Oh, at least the directory's here this time, huh? So if I go in here and then do npm start, does that work? Oh! Loading dependency graph. That doesn't look good. Promise direct rejections are deprecated. In the future, promise rejections are not handled. Will terminate the Node.js process with a non-zero exit code. So is that running on 8081, I guess? Oh, well, something's happening. That is not. Graphic development mode, interactive prompt. Run it without the prompt, use the no interactive flag. Okay, well, let's try that real quick. No interactive. Hey, Michael Jolly. Tomorrow stream when the package is finished loading. Yeah, seriously, man. Well, good to say. See ya. Hello and goodbye. Yeah, one of these days these things will load. Something will happen. Yeah, so let's try to do the run Android. Missing script Android. Complete log of this can be found here. All right, well, so this is not working so hot. Let's do this, then actually let's do this all the way out here. I don't see any of this stuff that was supposedly built. Move RF, sample, NativeScript, list. I'm like, I have the old created Vue.js project from WebStorm. Speaking of that, let's see if WebStorm. Where is my WebStorm? I know. Let's check into it and see. Oh, sure. You update, because I just need WebStorm right now. Let's open up WebStorm and see if WebStorm will actually load a Vue.js native project. Like if it'll create one. I mean, I gotta get a damn sunlight hitting me in the face. Get to look at me with like laser lights on my face. Yes. Oh yeah, I just upgraded to the latest bits now. Crazy frustrating, y'all. Oh, the Windows Mobile, that looks pretty good. I wonder if it's dog shooting itself. Some other theme, probably. Yeah, I guess restart. Right. There we go. Come on, load this sucker up already. God. Okay. So this is... Oh yeah, this is the app that I was building like 2 weeks ago. Maybe we'll run with this. Work from it. Is it a 4? Oh, can we fix that from like the, no, configure indents. Yes, let's configure the indents. This is unacceptable. Tab should be 2 spaces. Indent should be 2. Keep indents on, oh yeah, I don't want to keep lines. Yes, yes, that's what I'm talking about. Default 20. That looks good. That looks good. Yeah, whatever. What is this? This got. Oh yeah. No, we're gonna do 2 here. 2 indent 2 continuation indent 2. Indent alt change alt improvement. No. Yeah, do it like that. I ain't even using TypeScript right now. Haml, nope. JSON, yes. Look at that. 2. Continuation indent. How about 4? JGaml. Really? Come on. Come on, give me the modern stuff. Cut it out with this. Yeah, YAML's of course 2 already, because it has to be. Alright, and then CSS is 2, 4. I think we're good there. Alright. Oh, let's do contrast mode. Yeah. A little easier to see stuff. All right, so we got app view, npm serve, debug application. Let's do npm serve does what? That just gives us a development server, runs with 8 million things. Does it start the browser though? That's the question. Let's create a production build, run npm run build. Page environment. Oh, I guess it doesn't. It just runs it. So now it's running. So now what is the port? 8080 something. Well, I guess it might be. What do I call it? Is this the to-do app? I think it's to-do app. Oh, here's what it is. It is 8080. Why did I get nothing? If it ain't one thing, it's another. Okay. Yeah, broken business already. I want this for notice my code formatting isn't a part here for what's generated. Should do MVC with local storage persistence. Oh yeah, that's what this was. Alright, so what I wanted to do though was actually, I don't know, I got sidetracked in that. What I wanted to do though is new project. And I wanted to do Vue. Webpack, yeah, it's fine. 3.5 there, 10.3. This is frustrating. Yeah, so I think what we want to do, this isn't going to do a native app either. It's not Yeoman, no? Let's do mobile native experiments, right? All right, so we're gonna start that, and that's gonna create us a basic Vue app, right? Yeah, sure, US Babel, yes, Lint. Let's create this window. Terminate this one, yes, please. All right, now that's gonna build that out, and then we'll run it, and we'll see. Then we'll be able to see if we can just add in the Vue native components, right? There's a CNRA. Let's look at that. CNRA project. Oh, a React Native app. This is a Vue Native net blah. Okay, start. Well, that should just work that way. Well, let's run it. Let's create some other corrupt apps. Let's see what we get. So let's do npm. Oh wait, yeah, Vue native init sample CRNA. Thought I did install that. npm install dash globally create React native app. All right, that's installed. So let's try that again. Okay, that's clearly not working. So let's do the other one again. Vue native init native rough testing one. No CNA. Use a valid ID. Not a valid, okay. Okay, let's go with native test rough one. Okay, not like dashes? I guess that seems to be the case. yarn. Get done with this, we'll do npm audit fix. What's oh, yeah. Audit fix. I guess it goes through and installs all the dependencies that are actually missing. So that's cool. It was crap for me to do to figure out what I gotta do with it. I mean, in all seriousness, I'm kind of perplexed by why some of these things are in various states. I just set up this machine like very long ago. But it's all out of date though. That's weird. That's Node.js for you though. Right, okay, and I installed React though. How flaky. Whatever. So let's say start. 11.8081. Get file graph. Crap mode. Not my modern NativeScript. What is this? Yes, I did that. Oh, really? So I really need to update my yarn. Yarn package. That. Alright, key. You know, I think probably already got this. But whatever. Alright, so let's go app install yarn. We're getting really good at waiting today. Oh, Gareth Hubble. I didn't have you on auto host. I'm adding Gareth to auto host and my multi-extruder. And you'd auto host too. Oh, and Jitter Ted. And you'd auto host. Oh, yes, please install. Do all the things. Fill pods. You're getting added. Pixie Logic Dev. Had added. Okay, let's try this again. Ooh, RF, map, test, truck, clear. Install, did that. Fix. Just like installing shit all day long today. Jeez. Yeah, the icon means working still. Alright, this is the closest thing so far. It's a CD, nat, test run. So now we can do... Oh. To run Android, do that. Run that by default, npm start. I guess actually be on the code, what am I thinking? Okay. Look at it in code first. There's app view, my Vue native app. Vue with a text in it. There. And app.json. Looks good. Package JSON. That also looks good. React native. Index. App JSON. Oh wow. Holy crap. On the website though, so it's here. Yeah, right? No, that wasn't what I was looking at either. Look at this one. Docs. Is this one? Wasn't it? No. Also not what I wanted to do. I'd click on this maybe. No, this is this whole damn thing. Nope. Prerequisites. Node 6.0. Started. Yeah, this is what I did. Let's see if we get that going. So we'll follow these directions. All right, so we did yarn. Oh, we got it installed. So Vue, native, init, Vue, gives. That's super cool. Add native CLI. Huh. Okay, so yarn, global, add, create, React, native app. Still don't get it. Command Expo version 2 dev null. All right. Oh god. This is not what it ought to be. Testing on mobile. Let's go here to this one. That. Let's try npm run start native. Oh, this is the start. Oh, let's do test. Let's test it. Huh. Huh. Let's get rid of mobile native experiments. okay. I'm gonna restart this. Just to ensure there's patches and stuff to take care of. Should be better now. Yeah, it turned itself down again. I don't know what the deal is with that. It's one of those things that drive me nuts. Critical error has occurred on the virtual machine. Maybe my virtual machine is just being completely sideways. Wonder if pondering just running this on Java or even C#, just because I know it'll probably be easier to get a server running. The comments on this one are hilarious for this band. Oh yeah, budgie. Oh, going nuts. Were you here at the beginning of the session, Digital Drummer? Because I did like a music intro outro thing. It's pretty slick, pretty awesome. We looked at one band called Master Boot Record on Bandcamp. It's pretty trippy what they did. They got all types of bands, songs for Master Boot Record called like Telnet and FTP and HTTP and all this kind of stuff. It's kind of hilarious. All right, let's see here. What can we do to get this to? It's just not working right. So Vue native. So there's NativeScript, and then there's Vue native. So this is what this is what I was trying to use, right? Yeah. So let's go back in here and look at this again. Set up a Vue native CLI, React native. Vue native CLI, Vue native. So, all right, that one thing was saying that this should work now that I have Yarn installed for whatever reason. So let's try it. Vue native init. Oh, let's Vue native init proj test 1. Oh, now that breaks completely. Well, how do you install this? I'm clearly not doing it right. Okay, that's exactly what I've done. Yeah, same thing. Oh. Ha. The hell? Let's do npm install global create React native app, right? So that's going through the whole thing, and it says 2.0.2 is installed. Oh, cool. Yeah, definitely check that out. I'm gonna listen to him a little bit on the outro, just to do it. And it seems like you can listen to Bandcamp stuff and not get nailed with the mute or whatever. So I figured I would give it a try. Version 2.02 is installed currently per issuing the so you're getting the same thing too. PID, and then you're getting CRNA package version. Let's see here. It seems like there is some missing React componentry that is required. When getting started from scratch. Oh, forcing to create React Native. Create React npm install. As a global dependency, right? So got both of those installed as a global dependency. crap saying now? So it's the same thing there, same shit. Try this. Oh, that's what I just did. Yeah, 202. And that's installed. Oh, I need to do view innate, new proj, no CRNA. Okay, so that works. Well, it works better now that yarn is installed. That's ridiculous, but whatever. Warning, tons of warnings. All right. Just knock it out of there. All right, so then npm start, right? npm run. Bruh. Okay, so oh, it's this verbose, this verbose npm 69. Oh, it's flipping out because I'm on Linux? Is that what that is? Oh, this is brutal. Google's Flutter. Anyway, done fighting with it. Like I was saying, so these are not really working so great. At least not according to any directions. What is this? Expo CLS, mainline payment interface between developer and Expo tools. Wonder if I should have that installed. Just get a basic. This is master boot record. Oh, that could be too. Yep. Haha. I'm not in the directory. I'm going to let it finish installing the Expo, and then I'm going to give that a try. Digital drummer. Yeah, PK XY. PK, yeah. It's master boot record on Bandcamp. So master boot record. Bandcamp. Can't rave about this band enough. This is badass. They're out of Italy, I guess. Yeah, and I love it. It says I am a 486DX, 33 megahertz, 64 megabyte processing, avant-garde chiptune, synthesized heavy metal and classical symphonic music. So yeah, this is the band. Here's some of the tunes: HTTP, Pop3, SMTP. I guess I got some old stuff too, or older stuff. Yeah, the full discography here. This is what has it got? Ha, IRQs 0 through 15. Oh my god. Oh, and it's actually got them lined up. Coprocessors on 13, Vue.js on 12. Primary ID, secondary ID, coprocessor, floppy disk printer, sound blaster. Oh god, yes. Keyboard is on 1. System clock is on 0. Yeah, this is like the best. Oh my god, check this out. An interrupt request. This is the best. This is so the best. Alright, what are we doing over here? Oh. Good lordy. Something happened. So let's hear new proj. NPM start. Oh my god, did something happen? Something's happening? Okay, so this is going on. Loading graph. Loading graph is done. So I should be able to localhost 8080, right? No? 81? Development with an interactive prompt. Open it in the Expo app on your phone to view it. Oh. Try snack. Do this. Do that. Just did that. I love how everything in Node World is like, do these 3 steps and then start building your app. Oh yeah, but shit'll break as soon as you try to do anything interesting. So where's my phone? So here I'm gonna try to install this thing. Let's hear. NPM Expo app. What does this look like? Oh yeah, that's it. Okay. So I think I found it, right? Let's see here. Yeah, so I'm gonna download it now. Spinny. Okay, I had to fingerprint it. Now spinny. Put. Almost done. Aha! Open. No, get out. Time limit. Crap. So how do I sign into your account? Oh, so I need to do. So I need to create an account. Right, bear with me for a second. I'm gonna sign in. I'll be right back. Yeah, I agree totally. People expect way too much like basic level knowledge, and that is inherently hellaciously annoying. So yeah, digital drummer, I agree with that so much. The whole damn industry needs that. It's one of the reasons why I work with the Write the Docs conferences and meetups, trying to help out, but I can only do so much. Got 8 million other conferences running. So let's hear this. So I got that thing. Where the hell did it go? Oh, here it is. So there it is on that. I'm gonna run it, and then it asks for sign into your account, right? So I'm gonna do that. So we're gonna do. I'm gonna go to this screen for a second. Then as I get this thing here. All right, there we go. I just logged in finally, right? I need to have a camera like facing down on my phone, but I don't have my other camera here. All right, projects that you publish will appear here. Go ahead and publish one, then refresh the screen. So that's on profile. Okay. And then if I go to click on projects, like at the bottom here, I guess there'd be more that would show up there respectively. So let's try to get something published up there. All right, so let's get started with something. Try snack. So that's what snack is. Oh, do I not have sign up for Expo? What? What the frick? Okay, that can go away. So let's see, am I just... Oh my goodness, is this what I think it is? Let's get out of this for a second. So try snack is this thing. And it is just my... Okay, so let me log in. Profile. Okay, so Snacks is owned by Expo or whatever. And then view Snacks. Okay, and then favorites. Snacks by projects. Okay, Expo APIs distinguish from the native components that you can use React Native for in Expo. Demo app for React Native Elements UI library. Testing out a project. So that's still not a project though. So what about options? Can I deploy it? Delete snack. Create a new snack. Let's learn how to get started. So I did it. See, I did thing, and then 2, download Node.js. Yeah, whatever, I already did that. So when I installed this, right? Make sure I installed it globally. I think I might not have the last time. I did not want the music to stop. Why did that happen? Okay. So get rid of that new project. And then let's try create first project. All right, so Expo, init my new project. Let's CD into, whoa, wait. Middle of the run an empty root component and an empty root. Several example screens, and yeah, let's do that. Minimum setup for unit modules. Now let's do tabs. Yeah. Okay. Oh, cool. The name of your app visible on the home screen. Okay. We'll call this new project lands. Use Yarn to install dependencies. Yeah, that sounds great. So it's that damn window that's messing up my green screen. All right, so now I can do CD my new thing. Oh, whoops. Okay. And then yarn start. Okay. Whoa, whoa. Serious freaking progress. Oh my god. You didn't really just put that shit in my command line? From the Expo app. Alright, so I'm going to open up the Expo app, which just updated. Here, let me pop this back over for you to see. So, just the Trembling Churros showed up, which is, I guess that was the snack, right? Which is cool. So I'm actually opening that up. I want to look at the Chumbling Churros or whatever real quick. Shake your device to show this menu. Got it, okay. Oh my god, so shaking it actually sent it back to that. That's pretty trippy. Taking a focus. And slow ass focus and stuff. Anyway, so let's see, go back to recently opened snack, which is the churro. And then, oh, this is supposed to be, let's see if I can scan this thing. Can I do it with just the, oh cool, so it says, open in Expo. See a little message come up. You just told me to do that, so opening in Expo. Oh, tunnel ready. Starting Metro Bundler on port 19001. All right. Let's see what's happening. Oh, I love this. Yeah, super fun. Internet may suck because we're doing crazy stuff here. Run the app with live reloading. Choose from the following. Scan the QR code above the Expo app or the camera app iOS. Press A for Android and the letter E. Send a link to your phone with email. Let's do E. Oh, So that ain't really coming up so hot. Oh, trippy. Shift D to disable automatic opening death tools at startup. Send an app link with email. Toggle production mode, current mode development. Restart bundler. Restart player cache. Can I do that? Oh. Log in with the existing one. Alright, bear with me here. Don't guess my passwords. Thanks. Alright, so now what can I do? Can I do anything special? I would think that what I just did would have been required to actually get the bundler overlay. Oh wow. So that's trippy. Check this out. So it shows the other project, right? New project lands on Budgie Wedgie. That is the IP of the VM with the port. So it's pretty much working. But so now it's on 19.0.3. I don't really know how to change the thing. Let's stop that, so clear. And yarn start. There we go. Connection tunnel. Can I do that? I don't know. Oh, GitHub source URL. Nope. Oh, well, just go to the file watcher. So I'm going to take some notes on this code. That link. Then we got this one to learn, which has, yeah, those bits. I'll look at those. So then from there, see, yeah, this is React. Then can I wrap that in Vue with that other stuff? On your device. Okay. Tap to play. So this is what the app should look like here. So I got kind of that far, but then, yeah, so this. Alright, change code in the editor. Oh yeah, save. Blah-de-blah. Save. Yep, blah-de-blah. Okay, there it is. Can I hit the button there? Yep. Oh, whoops. Back. Open up this. Asset example. Oh, this is a card. React Native paper. Okay. Git repo, export project. You need to save the snack first. Git. Okay. Oh, look there. Okay. Huh. All right. Nope. Don't want to do that. I didn't want to do that. Okay, we figured out how to do that stuff. Let's add some notes in here. I call this building churros notes. Oh. Building churros notes. Notes. What the hell? Now I gotta fix that. That's crazy. I hate when I do stuff like that. Alright, that is not where that goes. There we go. Okay, now. Okay, I did all that. So then, yeah, let's look at Vue native. There's NativeScript under Vue native. So this says Vue native is a framework to go across platforms. Right. So what I'm curious about is set up React Native. I didn't say anything about any of this stuff. That's set up with React Native. Set up with Vue Native CLI. There's nothing. Right, so that's the standard. Yep, okay, so then declarative rendering. Using straightforward template syntax, right? No, this is no. Opening the Expo app. Okay. And that's what we just got kind of sort of working. Oh, so I need to ship a thing up there. Okay, let's try that. Let's see if that works. Okay. Term. Let's do Vue native init. Twisting worlds. None CRNA. Yes. What? Oh yeah, you can't put a frickin' dash in. There we go. All right, so twisting worlds. Then we go in here, and what do we find? All right, we got iOS, Android, like we usually do. Let's try a yarn start. Let's see what we get. Oh snap! Okay, so it's starting the same thing though. All right. Now we're gonna do get init. Get status. Sure, let's put all the stuff in there. Everything. Giving it a go. So that should be all clean. Now let's get it up on GitHub somewhere. All right. Sure, let's add for README. Will this even work? So I want that, and then we're gonna go to Expo. And all right, let's go in here. App.js Conf in Krakow. God, I would love to go to Krakow. Blah. That'd be super cool. Super cool. If you hadn't been to Krakow, I don't know. It's a pretty rad, super chill city. How do I put something in the freaking projects? I was in here. Well, I need to go to Snap first, don't I? Yep. No, this ain't right either. Maybe I can do. Trembling mixed nuts. Right, so return to Expo. And then updates to Expo. Alright, how do I... Okay, I got the client. Oh yeah, so how does... Do I have to use this to push it up there? JS. Did that, and then did that. Oh. Can I go in here and type Expo start? Maybe I can do Expo init. Right, so, oh yeah. Twisting worlds. Maybe. What do y'all think? Y'all think that's gonna work? Peer dependency webpack is not 3 to 4. Well, no. So what's in that versus this? There's my app.json. There's that. Okay, so let's go here. So I just created that inside of the other one, which I didn't really want to do. But here's the folder I just created. Oh yeah, a lot of good stuff. And that one versus this one. Oh, this has next to nothing in it. So yeah, no. It's not how you do this shit. BFO Zone, welcome to the mosh pit. Thank you for following. It's a pretty severe mosh pit right now. I'm kind of exhausted. Been fighting with this thing for a while. It doesn't really make sense. So, I don't know. Looking forward to getting a demo tomorrow. So like if I do it via Expo works. Start building. We recommend following. So maybe if I use Expo, let's create from Expo. Twisting worlds. I don't really want to make it, I guess. So twisting worlds, and then what is it? Expo init twisting worlds. Right? Yeah. Okay. So we want to do tabs, minimal dependencies to run an empty root component, minimal setup for using Union modules, several example screens and tabs using React navigation. I don't want to use React navigation. I want to do, I'm just going to do a blank. So this is going to be twisting worlds. Twisting worlds. Boom. Okay. Use yarn this time. All that fussing. Okay. And then yarn start. And then that should bring up the whole thing like it did before. Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. And then ugh, horrible. Okay, if I use my picture thing, okay, trying to open the project. Sign in as Adrian in the Expo client on Android. Your project will automatically appear in the project's directory. You just send a link to your phone with email. So I'm going to do EE. Okay. A to run Android device simulator. C to show info on connecting devices. Let's do that. Oh, that's what I'm doing. Okay, that didn't work on here. Let's go look over it. Let's actually set this to tunnel. Try again. No. I determine what it's running on. What port's it running on again? 19,000. So that shows correctly. Publishing okay? I am not particularly sure. Whoa! It currently says it's building the JavaScript bundle on the client side. Like right here. There it is. You can kind of see it at the bottom. See that? Yeah, there it is. Still bundling. When it says it's bundling there. So if this is running native, what the hell is that? Always something. Always something. So that's, I'm at 89.27%, and the JavaScript bundler is at 49%, now 50%, now 90%, now 50. Oh, I guess it's doing different amounts. So I'm watching it load over here, and this thing is doing something. So 52 seconds, finish in 52 seconds. Okay. Ooh. Craziness. Finished in That wasn't 11 seconds. That was forever. Successfully published. Oh. Whoa, what the hell? Open up app.js to start working on your app. Oh. Oh, it worked. It worked. So I had to put this on tunnel. So that makes sense. It says it was doing it on tunnel, but it was really the LAN though, not tunnel. So this is kind of cool though, that they make it like a little page. So if we go look at, just leave my phone there with it because it's running right now. Oh wow, it was running over here too. That's kind of interesting. So let's do, I don't know what I just did. Oh, whatever. Let's look at code. Oh gosh. What is this? It looks like it's fussy. Don't save. Oh, so that's app.json. This is app.js. So this is where, oh, everything is jammed together. Open up app.js to run your app. So then, let's see, testing. I want to see if this change is going to go straight to the app. So we'll see. We'll see right now. Oh my God. I just picked it back up and look. That's right. It's right there. It says testing. Come on, camera, focus on it. Okay, so that's pretty badass. I can dig that. Maybe this is what we could use on the application. So the question is what in the heck did I just all do? Let's get back into notes here. Building churros. Why does it say building churros? Trying to make me hungry. Snack, indeed. I want some churros. Can't get no good churros in Ballard and Seattle. Yeah. So let's hear. One. Got the project downloaded from Expo and used that CLI and thus it worked. Vue native didn't work. Not much at all. I mean, it does require all of this stuff in between though. Oh, that's weird. It's here, building, JavaScript, mobile apps. Cordova, does PhoneGap still exist? Ionic. Let's try an Ionic. Let's play around with that. Ionic. Cross-platform mobile app development. See, and the thing is like, okay, so get started. Create an Iconic account. All right. Again, bear with me. I'm gonna have to log in real quick and watch the interim video. crazy. All right, hold on. Bear with me here. Still working on it. Still, it's got a failure here. Temporary mishap. Oh my god. Oh my. That's sick. That's not. Almost got it. Oh god. Okay. And we are back. That was painful though. Because okay. Wait, what'd you say? Digital drummer? I've totally spaced and missed that message. Does it ultimately run in a web view or does it transpile to native code? So, you know, that's a good question, Digital Drummer, because like it sat there and downloaded JavaScript and compiled and transpiled and did whatever the heck it did, right? Ionic runs in a web view, huh? And React Native transpiles down to native device format. So does that mean it creates like a binary on iOS? Like the same thing you'd get if you built it with Swift or Objective-C? And of course Java with, or Kotlin on Android? I'm not super sure. Oh. So Ionic framework isn't going to give me any additional downloads for the hot reload. Oh, so if I go to production, maybe that framework actually does do the reloading, right? Where, you know, it dumps me over with an actual pseudo native app then? I don't know. Not sure. I'm curious. I would like to see. Sit up, about to fall out of my seat. I'd love to see some demos of this stuff. I think I'm gonna get it set up so that we can do some demos on the Twitch stream. I think that'd be worth watching. I think it'd be worth watching. I mean, I'd watch it again. Probably not have metal on here, but you know, I can turn off the metal for like 2 minutes. I mean, they might have to listen to it while they're demoing it, but you know, other than that, it's, you know, it'd be pretty cool to do a demo. They just got to follow the house rules. Yeah, I like that. So on the sense of Ionic though, so you're digging in here. So I'm doing this free thing for now. No, I don't want this. I don't think. Financial legibility. Let's continue on this starter, and let's also do this. Yeah, let's build. Let's close that. And what we got here? Let's remove this one. some React thing. Bashful Robot is saying, no Slack, I do not need 5 processes, with one consuming 86% CPU and another 4 running at 2 times percentage. Oh, I tell you, poor Elastic, crazy way they're handle those. That stuff is just nuts, just totally nuts. Anyway, it's cool. Yeah, so let's hear. I am going on. So we're gonna do this. Twitter.com. Let's do this. Let's do thrashing code. Yeah, let's see here. Okay. Yeah? Oh yeah. All right. Oh, his thing. I just read his bio. More scared of you than you should be of me. Ha! Come on, man. Don't be scared of nobody. You got a monster beard. It'll protect you. Okay, so we're in Ionic, and let's just break stuff before we get a pro like Mike to walk us through this. This guy will teach you to install in minutes. Create my first Ionic app. Yeah, I'm ready to get started. Let's do this. Let's do what? Yeah, manner to verify the installation. Yeah, we already know we got this stuff, and we know we got Git. Here, let's just go through and see what we actually have though, because I don't even remember at this point. I was just looking at some of that stuff earlier in the session, and I still don't remember. So let's hear Node. We're on like Node 11.15 or something, I think. 10.15, 10.15.3. Okay, and then npm is 6 because I just upgraded it this session. Yeah, and then 2.7. I don't even know what version Git is on, but whatever. Okay, and then install Ionic CLI. Okay, now that Node.js and npm are installed, install the Ionic CLI globally with npm. Okay. Right? Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Step 1 of 52,000. Oh yeah, just hold on, you gotta read this tweet. I pick up the phone for like 2 seconds and what do I get? I get this. Good old Luke. Oh, come on, focus, camera thingy. Super awesome. Yep. Featured on stream. Yep. Alright, so... Okay, that just got installed. Running there. It's cool. 176 contributors. And then, okay, so then what do we got? All right, an Ionic login. Ionic login. See, everything depends on some freaking remote server that I don't control. All right, so we did that. Come on. Okay, and then let's create your app. Come on, stop being flaky. Onyx start my apps tab. But I didn't even. I create an Onyx app using one of our pre-made app templates. The three most common starters are the blank, tabs, and side menu starter. To begin the installation, open a new terminal window and run. What? After entering the start command, the CI level will give you a set of prompts to help you configure the app. Cordova. Oh, brutal. Okay, well, I'm just going to do what it says. I don't understand why am I not creating something? It doesn't say create, it says start. So, okay, clear. Let's go in here. And then we'll do, what's it say? What did it say? My app. The hell? Ionic start my app tabs. No. Yeah, no, but I didn't do Ionic create yet. I don't like that naming. So okay, so I'm in my codes directory. I don't have an app. So can I just do this? So by starting, it just goes ahead and creates the thing if it doesn't exist. Right. Yeah, I see what you're saying, and I get that from the docs. I don't like the fact that it's called start when it's telling me I'm going to create something. Create and start are two different steps as far as I'm concerned. I mean, in English, these are two different words with two different meanings, right? So my brain does not like that cognitive dissonance between the two words. I get what it's doing. It's just doing like a, when you say touch blah file, and it just creates the file for you. But then, of course, what the hell is touch, right? That's some creepy Unix stuff right there. Install a free app SDK. Yeah, sure, let's do that too. Oh, I didn't do the meeting reschedule. Damn it, y'all. Oh, link in this app. Create a new app. On what? Well, there's a bunch of that audit crap again. Come on. Anyway. So I'm going to do a new a new one, I think. All right, let's do that. And then which Git host would you like to use? I want to use GitHub because derp setup setup required. Okay, so yes. Okay. Okay, hold on, y'all. You know the drill. Be right back in a second. Just log in. There we go. Okay. Look at all what's all my stuff, public and private. All right, whatever. We're gonna give it permission this time. Don't do anything sneaky. Success. Please return to the CLI. Okay. Authorize and ready to continue. Yes. Does the repository exist at GitHub? No, it's local only. Why would it be? No. Shit. Okay. So my app is here now, though, right? Okay, my app, and then Ionic link. Oh wait, hold on. Git remote nothing. Yeah. So then Git. What's in here? Okay, this is all the stuff. So git init, git add, git commit, first commit, boom. Okay. Well, I should have made it twisting worlds. Let's get rid of this one. Yes, please. Hurry up, GitHub. Just want to get this done. I want to figure it out. Let's see it work. Ionic storms. I can't put that. Add origin. Boom. Git push dash u. Origin master. Yeah. So let's see here. Hop is cool. Hey, Myths, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the Mosh Pit. Usually we're a lot more productive in our coding, but today has been a chaotic, madness-inducing thrashing of the code. But we're making progress, slowly but surely. Bear with me, I'm just trying to tweak some of the music here. Releases. Let's look at this thing. Grievous, maybe. This looks cool. Sounds nice and heavy. Maybe not. Let's try some of this other stuff. Oh, what's this? No, I don't want another one of those right now. Oh, wow. Ah, this will work for now. Okay, so we got our Git repo now. So status. Yeah. Okay. This looks like this. Do this. And I don't want this up anymore. Or that one. Where's my instructions? Oh, here it is. Oh, yeah, and then let's do Ionic link. Link an existing app. Create a new app. Yeah, let's create a new app. Tab, sampler, twisted world. Can I do that? Does that work? Yeah, GitHub. Yes. Oh God. Don't look up all my GitHub repos. See y'all tomorrow. Oh God. Oh wow. I only have 421. Oh, I just created one too many. Damn. Alright. Okay, what did I even call this one just now? Wait, I went in here with some it's in my Firefox. Oh yeah, Ionic Storm. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, let's do master branch on. Oh, that's cool. You can find additional links above. Huh, okay. Yeah, thanks. Sweet, okay. And then, can I just do this? Ionic start. You don't start another project. No. No. How do I? Oh, Ionic serve? Is that what it is? Ionic serve. Yeah. Oh, man. Angular applications?
Only once in my life did I ever think I could be so misread, but then it came and done away so fast. Another smudge to the back of my head. If I ever went back,
I don't. Man, feeling. This is like feeling rock. Oh, here's something. Yeah. This is. Yeah. That feeling post-punk stuff. I can't do that right now. Scaffold out your app. Welcome to Ionic. Scaffold your app. Oh no. How about, what was the other command? Change your app layout. Ooh, theme your app. Let's do this. Whoa, what did I just do? Can I have, okay, look back at that later. Is this just all docs? It's just docs. Okay. Oh, tab 1, tab 2, tab 3 is the app. But, okay, so, okay, I did that. Yeah, I did that. Sweet, okay. Then I want to run my app. Oh, there's what you're talking about. Yeah, Ionic serve. Ionic dev app. Oh, okay. So, all right, y'all. Here I go. What? So I'm downloading the thing now. So let's go back to here for a second. Yeah, I gotta go get some food too. Catch you next stream, Digital Drummer. Thanks for swinging by, man. I'm gonna get this thing figured out yet. The next stream's gonna be, oh, nice, consolidated, getting shit done. It's gonna be awesome. Yup. God, I'm installing so much crap on my phone to do this. So, but that's okay. I'm sorry, I'm not complaining. Between my, like, metalness and my southernism, I'm just like, rah, 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 rah. But I'm not actually complaining. That's cool. Just saying, I'm gonna have all this crap on my phone. Ionic. Dev app? Yeah. There we go. So, focus in. There we go. So, Ionic Dev app. So, getting that right now. I think I feel like I should get a camera for my keyboard. Oh, logging in again. Hold on, logging in. Ow. Oh, shit. Wrong email or password. Just... keyboard problems, I guess. Oh, it's still the wrong password. What the hell did I make the password? Okay, I'm going to get it right this time. Type my... Oh. Okay. All right, y'all. It is dinner time. We will be back at it tomorrow, hacking on things. And very soon, we will get these things finalized and moving back into the data side where we can get some shit done. And wiring up a beautiful, elegant user interface. But in the meantime, let's figure out who we can raid, huh? Who is hanging out, hacking on stuff right now? Anybody hacking on some shit? What you doing out there, Twitch land? We got Ellie Face, RW Grimm is doing some open source programming. He's starting soon, it looks like. So RW Grimm's pretty chill, dude. Very, very Unix fella. He's done a lot of cool stuff. Lead developer on Pigeon for a while. A lot of FOSS coding. It's pretty cool. And then there is... Oh, Code Enjoy just went offline. Ellie Face is playing Mobius Empire Rising. Let's go raid. Actually, let's go raid Ellie Face. I have not raided Ellie Face yet, ever. So I think that's who we should raid. Ellie Face. Yes. All right. Are y'all ready? Here we go. Raid kickoff now. And an outro. Cheers, everybody. Just a few seconds. And we will begin the raid. And off we go.